32 this morning.
Can you hear me now?
So the
Oh,
cord jumped out.
the cord jumped
It's
out.
one of those days, the cord just jumped out.
It came on then off again. Now, if you are listening at home on the radio, welcome. If you are listening on, yes, Sarah K can hear us now. Thank you, Sarah K, because the cord decided to jump out. When we come into the studio in the morning, we tend to forget that there are other people that use the studio before us.
Yeah. So they need the plugs for this. Yeah, but it's all good.
It's all good. Okay.
Anyway,
That's
Pane,
all
we've
good.
got a we're diving back into our Kai segment again today, just so you guys can get excited about that. So we were doing Where the Pie's At Wednesday.
Oh, but today,
what is it today?
Well, today you got to join us afterwards because it's. Do you know what the donut did?
Great alliteration.
Do you know what the donut did Wednesday? Today it's about donuts. Look at that.
Oh, that's big. That's a nice one.
Yeah. And so today we're changing up a bit. We thought, for 2020U, we're going to do the donuts. So if you want to know more about our review on donuts, you need to join us later on in the show. But coming up shortly, what have you got, Phoenix? What have you got coming up?
Well, coming up right now, we're going to head back to the music lineup. We've got You Remind Me from Usher. Throwing it back with some, to go with the sexy Mana Mataka. We've got a 61st song for the morning. You Remind Me from Usher. And then after that, we'll be back to find out what Te Wira has to say about Iara Mara.
That's right. Hey, before we do that, remember, if you're listening online, we're about to make sure you go VIP. So if you're listening online, you'll be going VIP for a backstage pass.
VIP.
And at home, you'll get Usher's song.
Yeah. No reira, kaua huri ki te ana ki whanau ngā Tihini FM.
Kakao.
Yeah.
Done. Hey, on that night.
It's a little bit stressful.
Sorry about that. That's my laptop bag. Okie dokie.
Okay. Have a great day.
Sure.
Bye. All good.
Value for money, $2.50.
Oh, where from?
Oniraki.
Fabulous. Oh, yeah. That was a bit stressful, wasn't it, guys? Hey, welcome to Backstage Pass with the Phoenix and the Luke. If you are watching, fantastic. And if you're not, you should be! We've got sound now. And for Sarah K, we know it's your favourite song, the Hina song, so we are doing it later after the news, so you may want to stick around for it so you get full volume. The fullness of the volume. So much going on in the world. Topical. You remind me of a girl once knew. Five happy things to read about today, everybody. The Wiggles. Remind me. No, I'm not talking about the Wiggles today. We're so quiet. Two Florida women.
Oh, I thought it ended. I was like,
Oh.
After this, we'll spin till Ida.
Yes.
Then we'll play another song and then we'll play
Prepare for the weeder.
Yeah.
The weeder. How long has it got? Is that
2 minutes. We got that.
Ah?
You can put the sound on for that. That Inga Wao Mua thing.
We've got 2 minutes to go, guys. We thought we might, if you are listening, we'll give you some.
Eri Mahinare.
There we go.
Inga Wao Mua.
Some hitori.
Yeah.
Fun times. To weeder.
Yeah, it's coming on now. 10 seconds.
Inga Wā o Mua, Days of Old.
When people turn up in suits to a porphyry, it's not that they want to be different to you. When I was young, our old people, even when they went to milk the cows, some of them almost wore suits. Because the whakatauki is, if you want to be treated like a chief, you dress like a chief. And you behave like one. There? So in the old days, when the chiefs were done up, the warriors were done up, dressed for battle, hair tied up, whalebone comb in, huia feathers on, koko wai, they had a red ochre and shark oil. So they mix the shark oil and koko wai. Koko wai is only hematite, it's a red stone. They pound it to a powder and they mix it with shark oil from the liver of the shark. That's why carvings are red, folks. They used to paint this oil on the timber to preserve the timber. They mix koko wai with it, this red, because red is the sacred colour. The colour of our blood. It's the thing that carries our DNA. Yeah? Red. So they mixed it with koko wai and the chiefs would coat themselves in it, prepare for battle. And then they would stand in the spring, usually the baptism spring for the toe, and look in and see that they were ready, that their wives had made them up correctly. Tupuna, to stand at the spring.
Days of Old. Inga Wā o Mua.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi Morena, e te iwi. It is Phoenix and Luke here with E Ara E Mara right up until 9 a.m. this morning. Phoenix, how you feeling, my buddy?
Yes. Kia ora e te ruka manuwhiti tua. I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling good. It's just me and you today.
It is just you and I.
You and I must make
Oh.
a pact.
Oh, okay. I thought
We
you'd never
must
ask.
bring salvation back. I know.
Oh, you make me laugh. Oh, don't push that button, Luke. Oh my gosh, do not push any button.
Don't push any buttons. So fun. It's just myself and Luke here this morning, like you were saying, right through to 9 o'clock. That was some beautiful quarter
It
from
was
Masha Erima.
That was very wow.
Yeah. I love hearing love hearing his voice again and hearing all this
Yes.
cordial because he was one of those people when he spoke, you just went, yep, listen, take notes,
Yeah.
do what you could because he, full of knowledge, Full
Full
of
of
knowledge.
knowledge.
That's why I find like if you have those people around now, don't switch off when they talk.
Oh, no.
Whenever they're talking, just do what you can to listen and take as much notes as possible because they're dropping gems and diamonds and we need it all.
Absolutely.
We need it all.
It's not
Otherwise,
next minute, gone.
yeah, otherwise, kwa hinga and
Aye.
and the Mātauranga goes too. So we need to listen.
That's right. Hey, welcome back to our viewers online too. It's great to have you here this morning. You do know what happens when the music plays on the radio. You go into VIP, or very important backstage person, VIB.
VIB.
And you get the exclusive backstage with Phoenix and I for the next hour or two. So, hey, welcome to the show. Now,
Yes.
we're going to get into our game of the day, which is our favourite part. Where is it? I'm going to push the button and fingers
Yeah.
crossed it comes up on the screen. Here we go. It is Te Wira.
Te Wira.
Okay, I'm going to push. There we go. Let's see what happens when we push this button. Right, so the name of the game is obviously E Ara E Mara, and if you're listening at home or watching at home, sorry, you're going to see a big giant wheel on your screen, and if you're listening, we're going to work out which game we're going to play. Here we go, we're pushing the Wira, here it is! Okay, it's going, it's
Let's
spinning.
go.
It's spinning. What is it today? What is the game of the day? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's almost your favorite, your actual
Oh,
favorite.
it's my favourite.
All right.
In the studio.
In the studio, which is our and we've got a backing track now too, actually. But we're gonna play in the studio, which is like our rhyme, rhythm, rap game, bit of freestyle rap, because we rappers.
We are rappers.
Why did
Yeah,
I say-
G.
Why did I say it like that? But we're gonna get into that game after this Waiata Tama i Tukua from Troy Kingi.
Woo!
Still to come, we got Controller LAB, Te Hao Aotearoa from Piri Wihungi Ingari.
Engari
You got to
Bush.
keep it locked for that, and then still do the donuts dance day.
Oh yeah, you gotta stick around because we've got the newest addition to Iara Yamara show. It is the do the donut doo doo. Do the donut doo doo day doo da doo da. Do the donut doo doo day da doo da donut.
Yeah, so we were doing Where the Pies at Wednesday, but we thought, we've eaten as much pies as we possibly can.
We've pretty much eaten all of them.
Yeah, we ate all the pies. They're all gone. And so now we'll change it up. Someone suggested donuts, and we gladly oblige. So we're doing donuts at the moment. Engari, before that, we're going to get back into the rhythm of the rohe. Tama i tukua from Troy Kingi. Nō reira, kaua huri ki tāna kia whānau. Ngāti Hine FM.
Woo! Hey, welcome, onliners. Welcome.
Yeah. If you guys are listening online and you haven't, where's your, go to donut place? You want that cream donut and that's your go-to place. What's that? So we can go check it out, rate it.
That's right. Dee-dee-dee-dee. La 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 la. Ah. It's quite a vibe, isn't it? What's happening today, everybody, in online land? What's going on? What's the vibe? It's Wednesday. You at work? Let me know. Angry at your husband? Let me know. Annoyed at your wife?
Let's talk about it.
I just remembered that Phoenix is actually having a baby. I totally forgot. This whole few weeks I've just forgot that he's actually having a baby. It's due, it's ready to pop out. Oh, I might put that comment on later on. I still love the little donuts from down by the way.
The little orbit donuts, eh?
Yes, I'll put that one on when we...
We pretty much get them every time we go there.
Ah. Ooh. And if you missed the weather this morning, the weather is hot again. It is moist tanga here in Whangarei. It is hot. 96% humidity, which means you are going to be sweating and moist. Fabulous. Fabulous. Da da da. Haven't heard much of Generator. Where's Generator gone?
Yeah, Generator. Slacking.
Na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. Where's the donuts at Wednesday? Do, do, do. Dee, dee, dee. Da, 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 da. What did you do last night? Anything exciting?
Last night. What did I do last night? No, I was at work till late.
Oh, busy.
And then, nah, not at all. Nah, just chilled. Mahirosha Beach today, gonna pick up sweet treats from our local cafe.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
girl.
Smith and Local in part of the bay. That sounds
I've heard that's quite good.
what a nice place to work the other day.
I know.
Got a minute.
We got a minute. We got a minute, guys. We got a minute. Minute till we back. Da-na-na-na-na. Do-do-do-do-do.
Somebody to 40 seconds. Bay of Islands Bakery.
Thank you.
That's all right. We can travel to the Bay of Islands Bakery.
Yeah. I so remember Jive, Lisa. Oh my goodness, I so do.
12 seconds.
Put you guys back on. Here we go. We're coming back in.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ono ki whangareine, iwa te kauma. Oh, there's music. Fantastic.
Oh, that's your backing track.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
99.1 north of Hikurangi or in the Pachi Pachi Tanga of Miti Miti. There we go. A few comments online, actually. We love the little donuts. Here's one here, actually. We're about to, there we go.
Mm.
I
Yes.
still love the little donuts, yes.
Yeah, the little donuts from that Orbit, they're like $2 for a dozen or whatever. They're yum. My kids, every time we go to the work, Ma, Dad, got any change? Dad, got any change? And I'm like, yes, I do. For Orbit donuts, yes, I do. Go get us
Yes.
5 bags.
5 bags of donuts.
Yeah.
And Mon's Faith says, I know it's not in the dub, but Bay of Islands Bakery cream donuts are the ones. Well, if you can bring us a donut down to Te Whanga o Reipai, that would be really helpful.
Yeah, that would be great.
That would be so good.
Any donuts, feel free to bring us donuts at any time. Anyway, we Te Wira has decided our fates for the morning, and our game for Eara e Mara was in the studio.
In the studio. Oh, it's going to be hard because there's 2 of
In the
us.
studio, yeah, we've got to be fast. So in the studio is a rhyming rap, like freestyle type of game. You just got to rhyme the last word. It's like if you were actually a rapper or an artist,
Yeah, G.
you would have no issue with it.
Yeah.
But then there's us, so there's a lot of issues with it.
Right.
Anyway, we're gonna get into our game. Eara e Mara. Yes, that's right, Whana. We have come to our favourite segment, Eara e Mara, where we play a game to help, engage with roa iho, roa ake,
That's right.
ara ko te roro. Roro is a hard Māori word to say.
Roro.
Roro, yeah.
Roro.
Roro.
Roro
Engage our
iho.
roro, get ready for the day. And as Luke likes to say, engage the roro and the nono.
And the nono. That's right. Some of you are better than that and the others. Clench the nono.
So we're going to play in the studio. And here's our backing track for in the studio.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Are you ready?
Ooh. Oh, you start.
All right. Hey,
Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
what
Yes.
we're doing in the studio. Hey, I'm having fun in the studio.
Hey, eat a bun in the studio.
Hey, I need some sun in the studio.
Hey, don't you have a son in the studio?
Hey, go for a run in the studio.
Hey, that's a good pun in the studio.
Hey, I want some in the studio.
Ah! Hey, you want to put another put tupper?
Okay, start again. Okay,
That's
another
hard.
new one. Go. You start. What we doing in the studio?
Hey, what we're doing in the studio? Hey, I'm gonna walk in the studio.
Hey, I'm gonna talk in the studio.
Hey, eat with the fork in the studio.
Oh, hey, I got some chalk in the studio.
I shouldn't have said that walk. What else do you say?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, your two go.
All right. Hey, what we doing in the studio? I'm not sure yet. What we're doing in the studio? Hey, I'm on my phone in the studio.
Hey, all alone in the studio.
Oh, throw me a bone in the studio.
Hey, sit on my throne in the
Oh,
studio.
nice. Traffic cone in the studio.
Oh, hey, get a bone in
Oh.
the studio.
Hey, give me a loan in the
Ah!
studio.
Hey, ooh. Ah! It's always me.
It's always one more. Okay,
Oh.
you start.
Okay. Hey, what we doing in the studio? Hey, I'm gonna wire in the studio.
Hey, I got some fire in the studio.
Hey, sit on a pile in the studio.
Hey, just call me Sire in the studio.
Hey, you want to fire? Ah! I was one that started it too. Damn. Okay,
Damn.
you do one more.
One
We can
more,
do. We
one
can
more,
do
one
this.
All right, here we go. Hey. Okay, what we got? Oh yeah, here we go. Hey, now what we're doing in the studio? We're going live in the studio.
Hey, you've got hives in the studio.
Hey, give me high five in the studio.
Hey, you want to shive in the studio.
Hey, go for a dive in the
Oh.
studio.
Hey, you want to.
Oh, finally, I think it was very pretty clear.
You win.
Pretty clear winner today because I am starting my rap career. Keep an eye out for my album dropping November 3rd.
Okay, keep telling yourself that, buddy.
Yeah, it's called Silent Night.
Silent
Yep.
night.
It's
And it's
just-
also called Crickets.
Yeah, Silent Night because it's just 30 minutes of crickets playing. Anyway, that was our game.
that was hard.
Mudder this morning. We did not too bad. We got
Oh.
a backy check. Like maybe if we get good at it, someone will hear us and go, sign us.
Get them on.
Get them on.
Get them on. It's hard when there's only two of you because you get one extra person to think
Yeah.
about your
Yeah,
next
yeah.
word.
With three of you, yeah. But then at the same time, there's less people to steal your word. Marcia said, Luke.
Oh, Marcia. See, I thought are you at home? Are you at home, Paru?
Why are you commenting?
Why are you commenting?
Yeah.
To be Paru
If
at
you,
home.
if you have time to comment, then you should be here.
Oh, she
anyway,
makes me
funny.
laugh.
That was our game out of Mudder this morning. Still to come, we have Donut Do the Dance Donut Wednesday.
Woo, do the doo-doo donut. Woo!
Yeah, so Luke will be trying these exclusive donuts from the Onarahi Bakery and giving us his rating to see how that goes.
That's right.
And then also still to come, we got your favorite segments in Meana Koe, Iti Te Kupu. But before that, finally, we've got a little bit of LAB
Ooh,
controller.
yeah.
Maybe this will make you feel better about there being none love this year. Go tonu mai ngā Tuhine FM.
Onliners, it's back to Luke and Phoenix, just your private little VIB, the very important backstages.
Yeah, you don't get to listen to music because of copyright issues. With our live streams, we've decided to just bring you backstage when music plays. So if you have any questions, part-time, mai tēnā tuku noa te mai.
Yes, let us know anything. Let us know a question. Lisa Cully, you said, hey Luke, do you remember Jibe Restaurant? I do! Holy heck I do. Gosh, I tried for 2 weeks to get a job there and I got it when I was 18. Goodness me, that was a long time ago. Who else? Shannon Wawatai, Morena Luke Bird, Che Para! Che Para! Speaking of, that reminds me of Scream. What is it? What's up? Oh dear. Yes, Lisa, I feel old too. Thank you so much for reminding us of how long ago Jibe was here in Whangarei.
I've never heard of Jibe. I've never heard of jibe. What's jibe?
Jibe. You were going to get a slap. Are you serious?
No, I don't know.
Oh,
Restaurant.
you know where Number 8 is?
Yeah.
So that was Jibe was the original restaurant in there. But
I
it was
remember Reva's.
yeah.
It was Reva's before Number 8. Eh? Oh no,
Reva's-
I'm thinking of the Key. The Key was like Reva's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was
so
there
I remember
for
that, but I don't remember
ages.
Jibe.
Jibe was it used to be a doll museum, and then they
Oh.
turned it into a Flash. It was Flash. It was so nice. It would have worked now, but it was so ahead of its time.
See,
It was
yeah.
beautiful.
There was probably heaps of places like that, like the skate rink. There used to be a skate rink in town.
Oh yeah.
The Hardtail Markets. Remember that big building that had Hardtail
Yes,
Markets on it?
yes, the indoor. Yes.
Yeah,
Oh my
we used to
gosh.
go there and buy our knockoff Pokemon cards.
Oh, the fishbowl. Oh my gosh. Yes. So yeah, it was a great, beautiful restaurant. It was busy. It just didn't end up working out. It was costing too much. Stunning. And then it got sold to a lady, and
Yeah.
then she turned it into. It's called Tahuna Reef, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
it got sold to the Love Muscle people,
Oh, yo.
and then it was turned into
Love
Number 8.
Muscle, That's
Yeah.
right. Oh man. We just
The Love Muscle. It's so good.
it's hard for businesses in our town, eh?
Mm.
Like they just go. Rent the lease for buildings in our town is ridiculous.
It is. It's horrendous.
Yeah.
And a lot of people who've owned the buildings in town, there's a particular family, with 2 or 3 families who own all the buildings, and they just
Yeah.
get away with those tax cuts and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Apparently
Stupid.
it's more revenue for them to be empty.
Yeah, who would want to do that? It makes your town look ugly and your building look like caca. No fire mask this morning, but I'll let her know that you're a fan. No, Fire Marcia is away today. She is. What's she doing again, Phoenix? She is.
She is at an NRC hui up in.
There you go. She's busy. But yeah, there you go.
Nah, just the brothers this morning, bro. Marcia's going to get what's that nose job you keep talking about?
Oh yeah, Marcia's getting a rhinoplasty to get her nose smoothed out.
To be look like lips.
She's getting a rhinoplasty. But Marcia will be back Apopo. So we're pushing buttons today, and I hope we're doing it okay. Remember, if you are watching online, you won't be able to hear the music. You'll only be able to hear our voices due to copyright. So, hey, you got VIB, very important backstage. 30 seconds, and we're coming back to you with more awesomeness. Oh,
Ngāti Hine.
hey, look, you can listen to this.
I te aroha I te ingoa nā runga o ngā manaakitanga o te iwi whānui kia tūtika te whare o tēnei marae. Te hapu o taua marae ko Ngāti te rino, te awa ko pōtaka kaiore, maunga kōhatu te maunga, te tupuna maunga ko te tarai tike o Rāhiri, ko te awa mairunga ki raro o te pokohu ko Mangakāhia.
Te aroha.
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to
call home. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I hukurangi morena, e te iwi.
Yes, e te iwi, live, local and at home. Ngāti Hine FM.
Do it again, one more.
Live, local and at home. You have to like accentuate the home.
It just
like
sounds so white.
Yeah, exactly.
Love it.
Live, local. you gotta like
live, local, and at home. It just
yeah.
sounds normal for me.
And at home. That's like I think it's like it's more. I'm kind of moving into like an Aussie guy, like one of those true blue Aussie blokes. Fair dinkum, mate.
Fair dinkum. Someone just asked, where's Fire Marcia today? Well, we did let you know she is at a hui, but she's also getting a rhinoplasty, which is a nose extension. And someone just wrote, oh, she's getting a nose extension. There it is.
Yeah, she said something about infection or something, but I wasn't sure.
Oh, bless her heart.
Nah, sad to Marcia.
Oh.
She's probably listening.
She probably is. No, Marcia's actually away today. She's got mahi with the Northern Regional Council. Is that correct?
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Up in Kaukaua or Moirua Rane, I can't remember, but somewhere in one of those tiny towns.
You're so sad.
Sorry,
You've got a fan. Look at this. Oh yeah.
loving that Pākehā. Yeah, that's you could do the next tradie. Yeah, I could do the next tradie ad. Sounds a bit like I will find you from the
Here's one.
yeah. From the movie Taken.
Love that Pākehā voice. One more time for the viewers, please.
Live, local, and at home. I'm stretching it now. that's how I, like if I need anything, that's my voice I use when I need something from like IRD or something. Hi, how are you? It's Phoenix here from Whangarei.
I actually do that too. I'm like, hi, kia ora.
Yeah. Kia
Hi.
ora. I'm having issues with my internet.
Oh,
Have you
that
seen
makes me laugh.
Have you seen that skit?
Yes,
that was
it's
hilarious.
so good.
I'm having trouble. No, that's not good enough, Dave. Yeah, so you could get free Wi-Fi.
Oh,
yeah,
you so could.
No, that's not good enough. That's
You
funny.
actually could. You could actually go right on there and be hard out, like
Yeah.
trying to get like
Yeah,
a,
no.
a new roof for my whānau.
my business voice is like, like my answer the phone voice when I know it's a mahi call. It's pretty close to that.
Really, go do it.
Like, I'll hit them with Kia ora, Phoenix speaking. Oh, how are you? No, I'm great, thank you.
Great. I'm
yeah.
great.
Yeah, I'm fantastic.
Oh, that is so
Yeah,
funny.
everyone knows, like, everyone knows you need that voice, because if yeah, my internet's broke. Like, what's going on? Like, no action, nothing. But if I say, how's it going, Greg? Is this Greg? Great to meet you, Greg. So anyway, I'm just having some troubles with my internet, and I just want to know what's the problem, what's the hold up, mate? And
Yeah, 'cause
then,
it-
boom,
And then it's done.
it's done. Yeah, and they're like, sorry, and then I'm like, kia ora, tēnā koe.
Yeah, because it's bloody internet done now. Done. Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you, Rebecca Fentester? The other day I was ringing ACC due to my leg, and
Oh, yeah.
the Pākehā woman on the phone, though, started the whole thing off in Te Reo.
Yes.
I was like, I even said to her, that is awesome.
that's
She
the
was like,
coolest
oh, I'm
thing
on my
ever.
journey, rah, rah, rah. And I was like, I love that. And I said to her,
That's the coolest.
do you get people that would say, can you speak English? And she
Mm.
said, all the time.
Yeah,
But she does not stop. I was
Yeah.
like, that is freaking cool.
that's the coolest thing ever. Like I going into that, I don't think people, non-Māori don't understand how like amazing it is for Māori to hear te reo
Yes.
in all these like mainstream different spaces. Like
Yes.
you actually like hear it and want to like cry. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Like, Ordini on the news,
I
on mainstream
know.
news, and like seeing that and then hearing reo or someone that you ring up for, like, I'm ringing Vodafone for some help. Kia ora, kei te pēhea koe, I'm like, oh,
Yeah. Holy heck.
yes, I'm great. I was feeling stink, but now I'm great.
I love it when you're on a flight, a New Zealand flight,
Yeah.
and some of them really go hard out, which I think is awesome.
I was down at Rotorua for mahi, and we were at a cafe down there, and we were sitting around, like all Māori was for a Hioranga Pautama conference, and so we were there for mahi, and the waitress was a Māori girl, and she came and just only spoke Māori to us.
Oh, I
and
love
I remember
that.
thinking, I've never been
No,
served in reo before.
Me
It was
too.
the coolest thing ever. We were all like, oh, what's happening?
that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, see, we love that. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
But also, love the Pākehā voice.
Live, local, and at home.
Yes.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Yeah, Whānau, if you don't have one of those in your back pocket, you need it. You need it.
That's right.
If you need a ring IRD, use this voice.
Use
Hey,
the
Greg,
voice.
how are you? It's nice to hear from you again. Hey, how's the kids?
How's that missus of yours?
Yeah. You need help putting up the retaining wall Saturday. Yeah.
Oh, what are we doing next? What are we doing next?
So anyway, Whānau, we're going to play the song from Pere Wihongi, Te Hao Aotearoa. And then we're going to get into our news from Wātea, actually.
Oh, fun times.
So we're getting into our news from Wātea, but before that, after that, then we're going to be coming back and eating some donuts.
Do the do donut day. Do da
Yes.
do da.
Eating some donuts. So, everyone loves donuts. So, kia ora tonu mai whānau, we still got a lot to come on the show. Mea ana koe. It's just myself, just Luke.
Not just. It's
It's
the
us.
boys.
It's the boys. 7:52 a.m. We'll see you in a minute. Ngati Hine FM.
Woo! Do you think they'll better hear the song?
Yeah, I reckon.
It wouldn't get copyrighted, would it?
Sure.
Next minute. What if it turns off though? I don't know how to fix it. Should I try it?
Nah. Oh, whatever. I don't mind.
Oh, we've got a few people. Hey, how are you? Welcome. Just jumped up by 4. Stick around. We've got the news coming up shortly for you onliners. Once again, if you're just joining us, you can't get the music online due to copyright, but you get us.
You get us. So,
You get us.
Let's have a cordial. Ask us some questions. Spill the tea. Who's playing up?
Spill all the tea. Who's playing up?
Who's playing up?
Who's live, local, and playing up around the Motu?
Just blame it on the Pākehā music if it stops. I'll Pākehā boys.
That is terrible. Yes, after the news, everybody, which does drag on, but just bear with us. We're going to be getting into the do-do-do-do donut. Oh, look.
Modi, the COVID is playing up.
The COVID is playing up.
Yes.
Look at that.
The COVID is playing up because it's changing its names and going everywhere.
Yeah, who decides which name you get to use?
Yeah, true.
Who came up with the
Omicron.
Omicron? Who decided that was the word, the Māori word for
Yeah,
Omicron?
That's what I want to know. Like, who gets to be like Omicron and everyone's like, here, and then now it's a Māori word.
Yeah.
Because if that's the case, how come we can't make Māori words?
Yeah. Well, I tried to at high school. Me and Otini tried to change a word for, maybe can I say it online? Teke.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't like the word. We thought it was so harsh. It's like,
Yeah.
it's consonant driven.
Yes, consonant.
Teke. So we were like, let's think of, we thought of a word and we come up with harapaina.
Oh, I've heard that too.
Yeah, we used it.
Kawati used to say, he had a song he wrote called Emerald Harapaina. Hey, Kawati, if you're listening.
Emerald Harapaina.
That was the name of his song.
Well, there you go. It's got a double entendre.
Yeah. He wasn't talking about
Emerald's
someone's
jewels.
eyes,
He's
yeah.
talking about the other jewel.
Emerald Harapaina. Yeah, I remember that was the name of the song. I remember the song too.
What's this new comment by some person?
It's the, I don't know what it is. I think it's coding. It's a word like coding. It might be like a like from YouTube.
Or are they saying, is this a code like, get off the interweb, we're Ukrainian? Let's just go straight into the news.
Yeah.
Should I put them on for that?
Should we hang on?
Oh, we might need another one.
Yeah, we'll come in after this. Just quickly.
What are we saying?
Just forward selling. It's only like it'll only be like 1 minute. So you can just forward sell. Just forward sell the donuts and then we'll go to the news. Just a minute. My mother-in-law comes home today. Oh,
She comes back.
yeah, she comes. She's been in England for the last 6
Oh,
months.
that's right.
So she's back and then she does her isolation.
Cool.
Just a quick forward sale after this.
Kita
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. It is Luke and Phoenix this hour, and it's 7:58 this morning. Coming up shortly is the Wātea News. Stick around for that. But after that, it's Do the Doo-Doo Donut Day. We've got more donut reviews, we've got topical news, we've got the whole show to go. So stick around for more fun and games with the bird and the phoenix.
Yes, Ngāti Hine FM.
Hope I pushed the right button. Did I push the right button? I freaking hope I did. I pushed something. Good, I did. Stick around, guys. Stick around. Now, the news can be quite strenuous. I might put you on for the news.
Yeah, let them listen to the news. News from Wātea.
That's right. Giving you live, local, and at home. You do it so good.
Live, local, and at home. From like the back, it's like way down.
Yeah, it's bloody good. Any goss today, Phoenix?
Nah. I don't think so.
Nah. Modi asks, how was the CrossFit kaupapa with the triplets, Kaz?
Oh, it hasn't happened yet, bro. It's in April.
April. Oh.
Yeah.
We're going to give you the...
happens in April, bro.
We're going to give you the news, everybody. At least you got something to listen to.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko korero o te wā nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. Hei tā tētahi o ngā ahorangi o te ao Māori no Ngāti Raukawa me ngā iwi o rangitāne he mea nui kia whai tātou katoa i te kano ārai hei tā wharau i a tātou i te ngau a te omi kōna. Kāre ngā kaupapa whakanui te rā o Waitangi ki Manukau e tū i tēnei tau me ngā hā kinekina e whai ake nei. Hei tā tētahi o ngā ahorangi rongonui o te ao Māori no ngā iwi o rangitāne me Ngāti Raukawa rā hei tā ahorangi meihana jury. He mea nui kia whai tātou katoa i te kano ārai hei tā wharau i a tātou i te ngau a te omi kōna. Tēnei ka horapa haere nei ki wainganui i a tātou a taiho ake nei. Kia tahuri ake tātou kia ahorangi meihana jury.
He tino wero tērā, engari kei te piki te horapa o te mātauranga, te mōhiotanga ki ngā tino hua mo te taha tinana. I roto i te hāpuri Māori i tēnei takiwā. I ngā marama e rua pia, ko pahuri atu, ara atu e tahi wānanga a ipurangi nei ko tutuki, me te whakatakoto i a ngai Māori ngatake, me whai atu o mātou whānau i tēnei takiwā, i ngā pūwero, ke piki ai te kaha o te tinana ki te kaupare ake.
Kāre ngā whakanui i te rā o Waitangi ki Manukau e tū i tēnei tau. Hei tā ngā kai whakahaere me ngā iwi mana whenua o te rohe pēnei i te wai o hua me tainui. Kei te wāhi kotahi o rātou whakaaro i roto i tā rātou whakatau. Kia kaua te rā e tū i tēnei tau. He tūmanako hoki no rātou, he tōmino hoki no rātou, rā ki te tāwharau i te hauora o te tangata. I nā koa tata ki te 50 mano tāngata kā tai ki te rā o Waitangi ki Manukau i a te tau. Hei tā Bernie O'Donnell o te rōpū Muma, te rāpea, ka kimi hia he ara anō e whakanui ai a Manukau o tira te tonga o Tāmaki Makaurau i te rā o Waitangi i tēnei tau. Nō reira, kia mautonu mai rā, hoi anō rā hei tāna aha koa te aha, ko te haumarutanga o ngā whānau, te mātāmua o rātou whakaaro katoa. Hoi anō rā e te iwi, ko te rā inanahi, te rā nui o te katoa i Aotearoa nei mo te tokomaha kua whai i te pūwero whakakaha. Ara 57 mano pūwerotanga o te rongo a whakakaha nei, kua oti te tuku i e nei haora 24 nei. Nā, kia tirohia ake ngata tauranga kōwhiori o te 24 haora nei, 25 ngā kehi kōwhiori ho, kua hua ake i te 24 haora nei, ara kei Tāmaki Makaurau, te taitokerau, te moana a toi, te wairiki mana manawa tū me whakatū e nei kehi hou nei e tū ana. Te kau o e nei kehi e o mi kōna, ara e ono kai tāmaki, tokorua kai tauranga moana, ko tahi a kai whakatū, ko tahi hoki te tūroro hou o te o mi kōna kai te papaioia. Te kau tāngata kai te hohi pera e whawhai ana ki ngā whiu o te mate korona, engari ko te mea pai, ka re tētahi i te wāhanga wha omo e takoto ana. Kei te nui haere te rarangi ingoa o ngā wāhi mō rea i toroa nei e ngā tūroro o mi kōna i ngā rā tata nei, ara te kau mā toru ngā wāhi hō i tā pirihia ki te wararangi ingoa i te rānei, he tūranga pahi, he hokomaha, he pokapū hapori e tahi o ngā wāhi mō rea nei. Kua roa te tani whānei a Quentin Hita e mahi kaupapa ana hei mā taki mā tātou i o tātou pauaka whakaata, o tira hei whakarongotanga mā tātou i o tātou reo irirangi. Hoi anō rā, kua tukuna atu e ia te kamupene nāna no i whakatū, ara kia wāte ia i ngā here o te whakahaere kamupene ki te mahi e tahi atu mahi, anei rā āna whakamarama.
Engari hei ko tāku ka haere tonu anō e tahi pito mahi āku. Mo te wahanga ki te reo. Minga mātauranga nuki i mauhaere i hauro te ngā tau. E whaitake tonu ana pia ki te ao pāpaho i ona wā a ngā tau kei te heke mai. I oku nei hakaro e mutu ana ki kona e roto i te tai ahuatanga e ngari ka hore mutu lawa ana.
Nō reire tiwi, koe rā ngā tai pito kōrero o te haora e whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
Etu Whānau, the movement of positive change against violence. It's time to take responsibility and action in our communities to support whānau to thrive. Go to etuvānau.org or like us on Facebook. Etu Whānau, te manakaha o te whānau.
Kei te whakarite ngā kai tākaro o tēnei whenua mo tētahi tau rereke anō i roto i te ao hā kinekina. Kua tai mai te omi kōna ki konei ki te whakararuraru i te tīmatanga o te tau hā kinekina. Me te aha ka whakararua te tīmatanga o te whutupōro ngaio, te whakataitai ipu kirikiti wāhine o te ao, te aha atu. Hei tā Susie Bates, kai tākaro kirikiti no Ngaitahu. Kua whakatau te kapa kirikiti o Aotearoa, kia noho ngā kai tākaro ki roto i etahi miru mo tēnei wānei, ara kia hauora tonu ai rātau mo te whakataetai ipu o te ao, ka tīmata ki konei a ngā wiki tata nei. Hei tāna ahakoa ngā piki me ngā heke o te wā e hi kakatonu ana rātau, ki te tākaro i roto i tēnei whakataetai whakahirahira, ahakoa kāre he hunga mā takitaki. Koe rā ngā hā kinekina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo. He whakamarama.
He mea tautoko
nā te manga.
99.1 North of Hikurangi, the rhythm of the Rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
Welcome to the good life.
Hey, I had the snooze button.
E ara e mara.
It's Marcia and Phoenix serving up parakuhi every weekday from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m.
on Ngāti Hine FM.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi offers a teaching degree so you can lead and inspire the next generation. The Bachelor of Education at Awanuiarangi allows you to help nurture and develop tamariki. Awanuiarangi, rukuhia te mātauranga. Study with us.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o Ngāti Hine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowheori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Ngāti Hine FM, iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono, tō mita, tō rohe.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hukurangi Morena e te iwi.
Morning, Te Hiwi. You're here back with the second hour of our show. Eare Mara. It's just myself, Phoenix, and Luke this
Yes.
morning. It is 8:07 a.m. and you're probably on your way to work. If not, you're already at work. But that's okay. I hope you have a great day because it's hump day. And you know what they say about Wednesday. Once it's done, it's all downhill. That's why it's a hump.
That's so sad. Oh, yes, that's right. We're here till 9 o'clock. It's the second hour of our show. We've got a few things coming up, but more importantly, right now it is time for the weather. The weather right here in Te Whangaore Pai Kohinga Cockles is currently 17.7 degrees. It's a high of 28 degrees with 96% humidity, which means what? Only one thing. It is moist. It is going to be quite a moist day. It is raining all day today. Showers developing this morning. Some heavy, easing this evening. Chances of thunderstorms this afternoon. And an evening northeasterly. South sunset tonight is at 8:37 p.m.
Ah, nice. If you want to go on a romantic sunset walk in the rain with your significant other, then at what time?
8:37.
8:37. Go you see the sunset in the rain.
Hey,
Oh,
you just get moist.
romantic. Yeah, and then you can go to Love Muscle. Oh, it's closed. It's closed now.
Hey.
And then looking at our maramataka for the day, no harmonies, but Luke's got it all solo. Hang on, we just got to hit not this voice, this voice. I've got two voice buttons now. One's the live, local, and home voice, but that's not the maramataka voice. This one. Tēnā anō tātou, nau hoki mai ki tō koutou, tino wahanga ki ane ko, sexy maramataka. I te ata nei I pātai atu ki ahina. Tēnā koe, eha? Eha? Eha te wahanga o tēnei marama, I mea mai ki au. Kia ora e hoa, ko tangaroa āroto te wahanga o tēnei marama. I was like, sure, girl. He rā pai ki te hiika, ana honei, he rā pai ki te whakatōkai. He nui, te hihiko I tēnei rā, he nui.
Wairua o te aroha.
What a finish.
I was hoping you were going to join in with
Nah,
me.
if I knew how to harmonise just off the bat without,
Nah, just
I would,
sing
man,
it.
but
Just get in there.
That was good. I liked how you went, built it
you.
up. Bit of a crescendo.
That's right.
Oh, I know that word. But yes, Tangaroa Aroto, a productive day for fishing and planting food. Historically, history levels are high.
Hi, that's right.
Yes.
That
so
laugh. There you go, Phoenix. You got a fan.
That laugh.
That laugh.
It's so smug, eh? Like,
So smart.
if someone laughed like that, you just immediately wouldn't like them.
Could you try doing the maramataka in your live local and at home? Just see what happens.
I don't.
Just do maybe the first
Those
season.
are the only words I know. Live, local, and at home. A productive day for fishing and planting food. Energy levels are high. Tangaroa Aroto.
I love it. E te whanu. That's so
Go
good.
te whanu. That's another voice button. Yeah.
Every time.
Hit that
Gosh, you're good.
Hit that voice button when we're talking to Matu Len. Ko rā te whanu.
Oh, it's a goer. Right, I think it's time we get into our do the doo-doo donut.
Yeah, let's do that donut, man. I think we've kept everyone on the old ball and string. It's not a ball and string. What is it? I don't
Ball
know.
and chain?
Yeah,
I
or
get what you
like
mean,
we've
though.
dangled the carrot in front of you
Yes.
long enough. So, or the donut in this case. So,
Do
get in there.
we have any music background for this one?
Yeah, let's get.
just play
Let's
something.
just play this one.
Now, there it is. Yeah.
About to eat a donut.
Yeah. And get it
Don't-
in your mouth.
Yeah. Ooh. About to eat a donut. Hey, donut, touch my donut.
So this year we thought for 2020 we are going to change it up a bit, and instead of where the pie's at, because we ate all the pies all over Whangarei City last year,
We're running out of places to go.
we thought let's change it into donuts. and this one today has come direct from, there it is. If you're watching at home, you can see that online, and at home on the radio, it's a big, fat, squishy donut.
It's big. It's massive.
And it's squishy.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, look at that.
Nothing worse than a tough cream
No, that's
donut.
right.
You know, the bread's like, it doesn't just like break off. You kind of like got to pull it.
Yes.
Bro.
And I have to admit, I mean, it's full of cream. It's full of the cream. Look at that. Okay,
Full
here we
of
go.
the cream.
We're about to
Should we make that a Māori word?
full of the cream. Here we go. Ow.
Whoa, whoa.
Mm.
That's impressive. That was an impressive bite. That
Thank you.
was, wow.
Oh wow. Mm.
It looked like you didn't have to pull it away. You didn't have to, like, you know, it just, your teeth went through and it was broken off.
That is quite delightful. Oh, it's very
Yes.
vanilla-y.
Oh, nice.
Mm.
Do you think they added in the vanilla essence and the
Into the
icing
cream.
sugar?
Yep, it's a you can see, you know how you can tell? At home, if you're trying to work out if your cream has got icing sugar in it, it's got a shine in the cream. Hang on, where is it? It's not broke. Oh, you can't really see it online,
Nah,
but
you can't.
it's got like a sugary shine. It's like a meringue.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
the top of a meringue. I get
Yeah.
you. Oh, okay.
I want to have one more bite.
Yeah. Your one more bite is just an average man's
It's quite good.
5 bites.
Mm.
That looks yum, and it looks soft. You didn't have to like
No.
bite and then pull it away. You know how when you get those like tough ones and the bread's not like fresh, and it's like you gotta like pull it away. And
quite
she
right.
said it was what, $2.50.
Yes, $2.50. Oh, hang on. Yes. Modi, here we go.
Where did you get it
from?
from? Making people hungry out here. Yeah.
Now, if you're familiar with the Onerahi Bakery out in Onerahirahi, then yes, $2.50 for a fresh cream donut.
And
it's
it's
big.
massive.
It's very big. So I
Like
think it's
usually they're quite thin.
well
We're
worth
having
the
a little
money.
bit of connection issues. But usually they're quite thin, but that was like wide. It was like a wide one. $2.50. That's pretty cheap. So
It's like a big fat one.
yeah. Big it is. It was.
So fat.
Big fat creamy one, like a big kinner.
I'd give that now out of 10. I would
Mm.
probably give that a 7.
Oh, we're starting pretty high then.
Mm.
That's a good score. Like I would go back and buy one score.
I would buy that again.
Yeah.
$2.50 is
okay.
quite good. And I just had 2 big bites, and there's still over half left.
Yeah, they were big bites.
So
yeah,
it's quite
cheaper
good.
than normal too, bro. So
Mm.
if you want to go check that out, whānau, Luke gave it a 7 out of 10. So we're testing all the donuts around the area. Because we run out of pies to eat essentially. So now we're eating donuts.
We pretty
Luke
much
gave that
did
one a
7 out of 10, everybody.
7 out of 10. And for value, value.
I think that's bloody good.
Yeah.
These days you can't buy much for $2.50, can you?
Nah,
Not even a pie.
That's the kind of change I just let my baby run around with. She's
Yeah.
like, money, and you like give it to them. Yeah, because what are you supposed to buy with that?
Yes, Modi, there you go. Yep, cheaper than normal.
It is. That's yeah, because man, I didn't even know what you'd expect to pay for a donut. To be honest, I never buy them by themselves. I always buy it like
with
a
something
couple
like
of pies, couple
yeah.
of drink sandwiches. So I never actually know.
I think that's actually cheaper than buying a Big Ben pie these days.
Yeah.
Big Ben pies used to be what, $1?
$1. You used to go to the dairy and buy them for $1.
Now I
Or
think
you could get that combo. It was like a Big Ben pie and a drink for $1.50.
Oh,
Raspberry, like a can of raspberry.
those are the
Oh,
days.
bro.
Gosh, that's when you could buy a quarter pounder combo for $5 when that
Yes.
first came out.
I remember. Have you ever seen those old signs of like McDonald's in like it must be like kind of like the 70s maybe, and it's like cents. Like to buy a burger is like in cents, like not even the dollars.
Yeah.
It's like 45 cents for a
Cents.
hamburger or
That's
something.
Gosh,
Like, oh,
now it's ridiculous.
now it's ridiculous.
Anyway, that was Do the Doo Doo Donuts. I'm coming with that random word. I don't even know. Do the Doo Doo Donuts Day. Doo-da. And next week we'll be having more donuts. But let us know if you think we should check out the
Yeah.
local donut scene around Te Whanga o Reipai.
Yes, if you've got a favorite spot that you always go to, you're like, nope, don't go anywhere else to buy donuts. This is where you get them. Then let us know, whānau, so we can go try them out and see if you're fact or cat.
That's right. You can go to our Facebook page, Nifa Creative, or you can go to our Instagram, E Ara E Mara, or let us know right here online on the platform, because we're keen for some more do-do-do-do donuts.
Nō reira pāre ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have reggae music from Ali Campbell.
Ooh, yeah.
Got a reggae to get your day going. Nō reira. Joe whānau, kia au tōne mai ngā te Hine FM.
Welcome back to the VIB, the very important backstages.
Oh, yeah, let's see Moni see Kaua as well.
Oh, I'll put that on. Oh,
Is
actually, I'll
that
put
the
it on
same?
now.
That's the Bay of Islands Bakery, eh?
Yes, I think it's the same Bay of Islands Bakery.
Yeah,
Is that the
it's
same
not
one?
Kauai.
That's a goer.
Yeah, we've got that one a couple of times.
Someone else has said that too, Modi. So that's
Mom said it.
yes. So that's a goer. It's a goer.
Kohi ngā donuts.
I'll just finish off my donut. What's happened?
Oh, nothing. No.
Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. $2.50. You know what I love about that? Is if you take in a $5 note, you're getting change.
Yeah, or you can get two.
You get
two. Oh, that actually does sound good when you say it like that.
You're actually getting change back, because usually these days $5 gets you nothing.
Zero change, yeah. I wouldn't even take a $5 by itself.
No. That was quite delightful. Oh, my knee is sore today. Why is it sore? What's Holiday Harmy?
I'd say it's like summer ads, you know.
Oh, what's your name?
Nah, it's not that one, but it's not any better either.
No.
Usually I take them out, but today because it's only us, I've been using all the ads. Shout out to my baby, Te Kurai Monua. She's 10 weeks today. Ah, kia ora, bro. Shout out to your baba. What does her name mean, bro?
That's a cool name.
Te Kurai Monua. Te Kurai Monua. What does that mean? Moni?
Let us know what that means, because it's so good.
Yeah.
Te Kurai Monua. Te Kurai Monua.
She is 10 weeks today.
Wow.
10 weeks. Oh, man.
I remember when you were 8. Gosh. Now I feel real old. Go back to school. You make me feel old. Oh, her full name is...
The Kurai of Futomo. What is it? That's not the words.
Oh, we're back
12
on.
seconds.
Oh, heck. We're back. You go, because I've got to turn this on. Sorry.
Alright. Iro ono ki whangarei nei iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tua atu I hukurangi. Morene tiwi, you're here with myself, Phoenix Zuka and Luke Bird. Just
Hi.
the two birds in the studio today.
Oh, just the two of us.
Yes, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Luke and I.
Ah, I love what you did there. Hey,
yeah,
that was
see?
good. That's
Yeah,
very
so
good.
it's just myself and Luke this morning as Marcia is off gallivanting with her husband who plays for the All Blacks. We're just going to give you a new story every time.
Yeah, so first of all, she's Padu. And second of all, she is getting a rhinoplasty on her nose
Yes.
job.
Yeah.
And now she is gallivanting around Taitokedo with her All Black husband.
Yeah. His name rhymes with Heem Smeesum.
It wouldn't surprise me, actually. She's probably like, snap, gotcha. I'm actually just chilling by the pool and pie here. And
Yeah.
sipping on my pina colada.
Excellent. Yeah,
husband
so
in tow.
do you have our... I shouldn't... Yeah, nothing. So we still have heaps to come on the show anyway. But meana koe iti te kupu. If you just missed it, Luke just reviewed a donut.
That's right.
Do you want to recap for those who are just joining us?
The recap is it's almost finished, actually. I've still got that much to go. It's quite a big donut.
That's good.
$2.50 for a full real cream donut, jelly donut, from the Onerahi Bakery here in Whangarei. So I would definitely suggest go to check it out because $2.50, I gave it a 7 out of 10. This year, instead of doing pies, because we ate all the pies all over Whangarei, we're going to do donuts.
Yes.
So it's a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. So no more pies because we ate all the pies. But we are doing donuts now. And I'm just going to read this. So there's obviously if you're listening on the radio, we've got our online platform as well. And our mate Modi's in there, and he was just explaining to us. So shout out to his daughter first of all. He's 10 weeks today.
Woohoo!
10 weeks, yeah, 10 weeks today, and that's always a fun age because they just eat, sleep, and they look cute all the time.
Yeah.
And then they get to 2, and it's like, oh my gosh, they're cute still, but damn, are they naughty at 2? They just push all the boundaries. Anyway, he got her name there, which is Te Kura I Monoa Ta. Oh man, I can't even say that. Ta Paio Aria Beverly Hinare. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Can I even speak mode? Can't even read it. Te kura I monoa tapaio aria Beverly Hinare, which means to admire the glowing presence of the Supreme Being.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's beautiful. That's like our iti te kupu for the day.
I was actually going to say, that is our iti te kupu right there.
Te kura I monoa tapaio aria Beverly Hinare. Oh man, that's hard.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
Admire
name.
the glowing presence of the Supreme Being.
Yes, that's a beautiful name. So, shout out to your Pepe bro. It's 10 weeks today. Yeah, like I said, that's a beautiful age. Like, like 8 months to 1 year, I find babies are they're at the peak cuteness, man.
Yeah.
Because they can start saying words, but they still can talk to other baby, like
So
1 and a
innocent.
half, innocent. And then they get to 2, 2.5, and they just love pushing your buttons. Don't touch the thing, and they're like, "Can't hear you." My baby's just learned how to say "shut up."
She's cute.
She's oh man, she's shocking. But she just learned how to say "shut up," so she goes "shut up, Papa," "shut up, Dad."
Shut up.
And what do you do to that? Like that's the cutest thing in the world.
Yeah. Oh, and she is cute. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I think she knows it.
Oh, I
She
feel
can
like
do
she
no
does.
wrong.
She's so naughty. But she's the cutest. Anyway,
Actually, I'll put this up.
I've got another one coming out soon too. Gonna fall out.
Yeah, I forget about that. You've got a child. Do you know what you're having?
We're having a boy.
It is a boy. That's
Yeah, we're
right,
having
yes.
another boy who is due on the 4th of February, which is like,
Next
just
week.
around the corner. Next week.
That's soon.
That's soon. Yep. And then we move into our new whare on the 11th.
Oh,
of
how exciting!
Yeah, yep. We just bought a house, guys. If you're just joining us and you missed out the whole saga, we bought a house.
They bought a house for $800,000.
Yeah, we bought $1 million home. It's a 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom, 1 toilet for $1 million. You're winning.
Oh man,
let's
but,
get some.
it's funny because it's true.
Oh, believe. Hey, but you're winning. You're doing it.
Yeah, for sure. Anyway, Fido, we got some more music to come. We have Turn It Around from David Dallas. We got Tua coming up from Stan Walker. And then we'll be looking at some topical news. I want to talk about this news story that I heard about. Well, it's like this news story I heard about of an interesting way to get your dog to come home.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you've got a runaway dog, I might have the solution for you. Nō reira whānau, kia utonu mai mo tērā kōrero.
Aye.
Before that, we have Turned It Around from David Dallas. Kia utonu mai, Ngāti Hini FM.
Say what they want to say. Pooing ways together, make a pray. If you mix them.
Is that the copy book over there?
Would you like all of them?
No. Do you want to find one for?
Oh.
Oh, no, because you got the laptop, you might like. Alright. I'll find it.
I can do it if you want me to.
No.
It might be easier if I do it because then you can really translate.
Oh, we've done that one.
yeah. Wanna say. There's been no comments today from Generator or the Hooper or the Hooper from the Hoopers from the Pui Hakina. Yeah, terrible. Just terrible. No, terrible. Ah, there we go. Hi, Nanny Maud. Hi, Jen. Just making sure we've got our peeps here, you see.
Oh, that's funny.
Kia ora, Luke. Here's my comment. Thanks, Auntie Maud. Morena Cordua. Luke, good to see you driving the online. I don't know if it's working, but I'm pushing the buttons.
Jana, we need some news, man. We've got no news.
Tangata! Yes, Morena. Yeah, Generator, if you've got any more content news, let us know. We've done the... Auntie Maud, we did the donuts. I've been a bit busy this morning. Where were your donuts from? The donuts were from the Onerahi Bakery, and value for money, $2.50, and I've still got about a quarter left.
Massive.
It was about this big. Here's the other end of it. It was quite big, actually, and really good. $2.50. So, hey, we're winning. 7 out of 10 for that one. So far, it's the first one of the year. So we're doing well. Sarah K, you're laughing. You're laughing at us, Sarah K. Thank you, Jan. Thank you very much. Tangaroa Paul, Ata Maria Kodua. Thank you. Well, yes, 7 out of 10. Cup high. Shame their pies weren't that good, though. Do donut day, do da hey. Oh, here come up. Oh, you go. Oh, we're on. Iwa Takoma, iwa ira ono ki whaangarei, iwa Takoma, iwa ira tahi tu. Rangi Morena, it's iwi. It is 8:30 a.m. this morning right here with E Ara E Mara, with the bird and the phoenix flying into your nest wherever you are around the motu. Kia ora. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show, whānau. That's right. It is 8:30 a.m. We reviewed a donut this morning. So we were eating the pies. We were doing Where's the Pies that Wednesday, towards the last half of last year. But this year we were like, you know what? Let's change it up because actually we've eaten all the pies in whangari.
We have. That's right.
Yeah. So we are talking about donuts. And so we had our first donut this morning from the Onerahi Bakery that got a solid 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. So if you've got a place, whānau, where you're like, nah, throw away your 7 out of 10. I've got the 20 out of 10 at this bakery. Then tell us where it is so we know, so we can go check it out.
That's right.
I was just reading that comment. I'm still vibing from the harmonious horn blast from the Road Rage segment yesterday. So if you missed it yesterday, we were talking about if car manufacturers could make their horns and harmonizing notes. So every time people horned at the same time, honked at the same time, it would create a harmony. So if you want to see that video, it's up online on Instagram.
It is.
Go check
Quite
it out.
good.
It is good. I like it.
Here's a recommendation for next week's donuts. It is the New World Regent donuts. Thank you, Nanny Maud.
Yeah, we'll go try that then. We'll go try the New World Regent donuts.
Good stuff.
We are, what was I going to say? We're looking into doing Iti Te Kupu very shortly.
That's right.
Very, very shortly, we'll be getting into Iti Te Kupu. But right now, it is time for...
Oh, yeah.
Topical news. That's right, whānau. We're here with topical news, and I will be passing on to my friend Luke Bird. Luke, what is the word from the bird this morning?
Thank you, Phoenix, for that marvellous introduction. It is I, the Birdman, Kikau, flapping my flaps as flapping as I can right here in my nest and sharing it with you wisely. The news on the street in the world of theatre is quite simple, really. If anyone's a fan of the big musicals such as Wicked, The Phantom of the Opera, Hairspray, Cats, Beauty and the Beast, you will probably know that those musicals don't have a lot of black people involved. And people are
Ah.
saying, why? This is ridiculous. Any race can do it. And I agree. And finally, after 35 years on Broadway, the musical Phantom of the Opera has finally said, we want to cast a black woman as the leading lady, Christine Daae, which has never been done in the history of the show. And finally, she made her debut last week. Her name is Emily Kouachu, and she's the first black actor ever to portray the female lead in the long-running Andrew Lloyd Webber musical, The Phantom of the Opera. So here she is playing. Oh my god! If you know the musical and you know the movie and you know the story, you'll know that this is making history. I'll bring it up to my screen. There she is. Isn't she stunning? Phoenix is like, have no idea.
Yeah, I can't really see it. The Phantom of the Opera is here.
She's the first.
See, I know that.
First ever black woman to play the role of Christine Daae. Now, if you know the role, you know it's one of the most hardest singing roles in musical history,
true.
and one of the most like mentally, physically draining roles in musical history. So, big ups to her. The only other person I know of that's played who's a black woman who's played essentially a white role in musical history is Toni Braxton, who played the role of Belle in the Beauty and the Beast Broadway show.
A lot of inspiration for Beauty and the Beast comes from Phantom of the Opera. The whole
yes.
Beauty and the
Stay-
Beast
yeah,
and
that's
the whole
correct.
that thing.
There you go.
That's cool. Wow,
I
mate.
love it. I was like, yeah, girl.
They're made up stories. So anyone can play anyone.
I agree with you, right?
It's like when people got mad about the Māori Santa. Who's supposed to be white and jolly?
Who said?
Bro.
Who said?
Come on
Do you
now.
know him? Do you call him at home?
Yeah. Anyway, I've got this other story here as well. And it's an interesting story. So if you've ever had a runaway dog, so you had a runaway dog and you're trying to figure out, how do I get him back? Oh, he's running. Every time I try and go get him, he thinks it's a game and he runs away further. They like playing.
Yeah.
So there's a story about a dog who slipped off his leash at home, and ended up like down on some rocks down by the beach, but the tide was coming in, so people like the Coast Guard tried to get him but couldn't. Like rescuers were there trying to get them, but they couldn't. So what they did was someone came up with a genius plan, because the owner said that the dog really likes sausages. So what they did, because the tide was coming in, and soon they weren't like the dog was just going to end up in the ocean or out in these mud flats. So what they did was they got a drone and they tied some sausages
Brilliant
to the drone. Yeah, so they got a string dangling from the drone, and on the string, at the bottom of the string, was a bunch of sausages. They flew the drone out where the dog was.
That's cool.
And apparently it worked perfectly.
And he came home.
And he came home straight back. Like the drone flew all the way back, from where he was to the owner's arms. The dog followed it the whole way back into the owner's arms. Ate the
That
sausage.
is cool.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
I
I mean,
know.
I have to admit, if someone called out to me to come home for tea, I would run home for it.
Yeah, exactly. So it was a funny story that I saw on Facebook this morning.
I'll probably run after a sausage as well. I have
Isn't
done it
that
in the
all you
past.
do? Yeah. Isn't that what Grindr is?
Oh, how dare you! He's absolutely correct.
Yeah, so had the sausage dangling from the drone, flew it out there, and the dog followed it home.
Wow,
That's crack
I
up,
love that.
I was
I'll
just
see-
thinking about because we got a new whare, we want to get a new dog,
Mm.
and I was like, oh well, better get a drone in case he runs
Get
away.
a drone. I love that. That's so cool.
That's a buzzy one, eh?
And it
Just
actually
a-
works.
And it worked.
Brilliant.
Got
Brilliant
the dog
stuff.
back. So they because it says in there in the article that despite like the efforts from firemen, from Coast Guards, they couldn't get to the dog, or they wouldn't, or the dog every time they got close would
Yeah.
move a little bit further. There was a Jack Russell who defied the efforts of police, firefighters, Coast Guards to pluck her from the treacherous mud flats.
Wow, the treacherous mud
The
flats.
treacherous mud flaps. Sounds like a good movie. But yeah,
Yes.
so they tied the sausage. Yeah, so if you ever lose your dog, whānau, or if it's run away and it won't come back because it's just like keeps going further and further away, get a drone, get a sausage, boom.
Here's one for you, Phoenix.
Helua.
You might get more than just your own dog following the drone.
Yeah. Your drone gets home, you're like, yes, it worked. Drone gets home and you've got like 36 new dogs.
Here's one from Generator. Hang on a minute. What does it say? Luke, you showed us where the theatre in Paris to which the Phantom of the Opera was based. Yes, we went to Paris a couple of years ago, and the theatre where it's actually based upon on the book from the 20th century book, sorry, is right there in the heart of Paris, and it's an underground layer in the water. Amazing. Amazing.
Wow.
Look at that. Where else would you go to for topical news like that? How to
Yes,
get your
I
dog
reckon.
home
and where the Phantom of the Opera was based.
That's correct.
No, whānau. Yes, you're here with myself and Luke this morning. It is 8:37 a.m. Kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have Tua from Stan Walker. Nō reira, kia tonu mai, Ngāti Hine FM.
Woo! Hi, onliners. It's us again.
Us again. We're about to do Iti Te Kupu. So if you have any kupu whakarite, feel free to throw them at us. Or if you see that we're struggling for it, help us.
Help us out. The Kupu Wakarite.
Kupu Wakarite. Kupu Wakarite.
Live, local, and at home. Kupu Wakarite. What's everyone up to today? Auntie Maud, what are you doing today? Generator, where are you? Where's your man at? Where's your man at? Hey, Generator, what's your man's name? Get your men's out. Oh, I make myself laugh. Punani or Te Reo. Te Punani. Te Puanani. Who would have thought? One vowel difference and it totally changes the word. What's that?
That video I was going around, I was showing Ritty.
Oh no.
When he tried to say something.
What's he doing now?
Yeah, Bolto.
What was he trying to say?
I don't know. It was in my memories from last week.
Kapoto. One vowel difference. That's right, Sarah K. Puanani or Punani. Who would have thought? It's like Ude and Udi. Auntie Maud, where's Mars today? Working from home today. The day here is beautiful. Oh, well, the day here is sunny today, but it's meant to be kakarinatanga. Marcy is with her husband. She's touring the motu at the moment today with her husband. Is one of three things, and see if you get it right. Marcia is either with her husband touring Taitokido. She is either getting her rhinoplasty done. She is doing mahi for Northland Regional Council. What could it be? And can I just say this? It's not the Regional Council. Oh. Janet's been in Kyle the past 2 days. No man there. Oh, bless your heart, Janet. Oh. More importantly, is any Wi-Fi? Sarah K. Just arrived in Whangarei to deliver some...
PD.
What's PD? Personal development. Or periodic detention? Or preliminary definition?
Or beautiful donuts?
Oh! She just arrived in Whangarei to deliver some beautiful donuts.
Oh, thank you.
I'm keen. We've got a minute to go. Is it just ads?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll put the ads on for you guys. There you go.
Here on the roads.
The rhythm of the rohe.
Oh, you're
Ngāti Hine FM.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Te Aroha
is a marae situated in the area of Parakau in the valley of Mangakahia. It was named Te Aroha because of all the blessings of the iwi, and it was erected in honor of the love given by its people. This whare has connections to the strong sub-tribes of Ngāti Te Rino.
Te Aroha
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
That's right, it's E Ara E Mara 99.6 here in Whangarei, or 99.1 north of Hikurangi, Morena e te iwi. It is 8:43 this morning. You're here with the Phoenix and the bird flapping our flaps right in your nest.
Nice. That's right, Pani. It is us, just us this morning, as Marcia is off creating new hopes and dreams in the town of Moerewa. So that's where she is. There's 5 stories. You choose which one you want to go with. But we're going to get into one of our favorite segments.
Yes.
Boom.
It's te kupu, yeah.
Call it, blow back, call it, blow back, call it. I did like that song.
Yeah, just that part of it. That's right. Whānau ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga mōhio ke tātou. Ko eti te kupu. He wahanga, hei whakanui te reo, hei ako te reo, tētahi kupu whakarite, ia te rā, ia te wiki, ia te marama, ia te tau, ia te miniti, ia te haura. So kupu whakarite, if you don't know, whānau is a Māori metaphor and or simile that can be used to describe something or someone in just a really beautiful way. It's very poetic.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, very poetic way of speaking. And, you know, as someone who is currently trying to learn more te reo, I find it very, very helpful to learn these kupu whakarite.
I do too.
Kupu whakarite and like whakatauki and kiwaha, because typically when people speak, they use a lot of those things. Kupu whakarite, kiwaha. And if you haven't heard those kupu whakarite or those kiwaha before,
you get
it just
stumped.
makes no sense. You're like, what the?
All I got was tree.
Yeah.
I got leaves.
Yeah. And something about a fish.
And a fish. Now, what could this mean?
Yeah, exactly. And that's why it's really, really cool to learn these things. Kiwaha, kupu whakarite. Obviously, you have to learn the foundations and the grammar of te reo.
Right.
But as you build upon those foundations, these things are really good to look at, because I got so many flash reo speaking friends and they just say stuff. I'm like, what does that mean? And then they tell me and I go, how?
How did you get that from that? How?
Yes, a friend of mine, like, for example, I was talking to my friend and he said, oh, look at this picture. Oh, look at this video. I did this because he was talking about weightlifting. I got a new personal best on this lift. Nona tatane. And I was like, Nona tatane. Nona tatane. And I was trying to think of like, what's nona?
Near?
Yeah. Tata, like near me. But then nona is like, what's that? You know, like that
Nona
saying,
te ao.
nona te ao. Yeah. So it was like,
What was he trying to say?
so he was saying, like, kind of like you said, it was like it happened recently. You know, it was like not long ago. Or yeah, and I was like,
Okay.
but how? Anyway, I digress.
Digression.
Yeah,
is
we
the
digress.
key.
So our kupu whakarite, it's just you this morning. You got to just try and figure it out.
I'll work it out.
E te ruka manu whititua.
Manu whititua.
So our kupu whakarite this morning is he hei moki moki.
Moki moki.
Moki moki.
Moki moki lonely. Moki moki I don't know.
Moki moki. Aye, moki moki.
He hey.
He hei moki moki.
Okay.
It's very similar to one we've done before. Yeah.
Is
He
a
hei
moki moki a fish?
No.
Or an insect?
No.
Oh, heck ma.
Moki moki is not a fish or a manu.
Is it a bug?
No. I keep going, keep guessing, because it is a something.
A parasite?
No, not go down that lane. I just keep guessing.
Okay. Is it a plant of some sort?
Yes.
Got
It
you.
is a plant.
He hey muki muki.
Mm-hmm.
It's a plant of some sort. Is it a weed? Like you want to get rid of the?
No.
Is it got to? Is this a negative?
Quite the opposite.
Oh,
No.
it's something flower pretty and
and
it grows.
Yeah.
And you can eat it.
No. But
you
what
can't
else?
eat it, but it
So-
grows and it's pretty.
And it
Gives off a scent?
Yes.
Oh, it's a big flower.
Yep. Yep.
Hey,
And
muki
it-
muki.
Yeah. Hey, muki muki.
Is this got to do with someone being like the brightness and gives off goodness when they come into a room, enlightening them to something?
Yes. Yep. But a particular part of them.
Oh,
Yeah.
goodness me! Now we're getting a bit out there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, can you give me a clue?
So you're on the right track. So it's a plant.
Yes.
Yes,
it is.
And you talked about the scent. So we're moving in that direction with it. Yeah,
plant.
not so much the look, but the scent of it.
It's a plant that gives off a scent.
Mm.
Is it a flower though?
Yes. Oh well.
It's a flower.
No,
No.
it's a plant.
It's a plant that gives off a scent.
Mm.
No, I'm trumped. I'm trumped on this one.
Oh, you're stumped.
Stumped.
He's trumped
Oh,
on
I'm
this one.
trumped. No, it's stumped.
He's been playing euchre.
I'm
He's
Stifler. No,
stumped.
it's
He's
Stifler.
Stifler. He's a really stiffler for detail.
Presence abounds even after departing.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Is that it?
That's not the whakamarama that I have here in front of me.
Right.
But it could be.
Oh, so it's something that lingers
Yeah, yep.
even after it's gone. It stays around.
Yes, kind of.
Kind
like
of,
you are,
but not it.
yeah, kind of, but no. Okay, so
Yeah.
He muki muki. So like a hey tiki, it's something that hangs around your neck.
Oh,
You know.
do you? All right. So you keep it around there, and do you put stuff in it to keep it? No.
Yeah.
Is it old school? Is it an old school way of wearing fragrance?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, it's old school way. Yes, exactly.
Potpourri.
Potpourri, yeah. Eau de toilette. So hey, like a hey tiki. So tiki is the tiki, but a hey tiki is to wear around your neck. You know, to wear it around. So the hey muki muki is a type of fern. This fern was used as a fragrance for the house, the body, and prepared to place on one's neck. It has a similar nature to that of a hey piri piri, one that is aromatic and a treasured possession to people.
Right.
Yeah, so you could use it like when you're talking about someone who is like near and dear to you, so they're so close, they're always close to
I
you, and they
see.
just, they bring good vibes, good joy,
Yes.
all of those sort of
Good
things.
scent.
Good scent. So
Hey, muki.
anei tetahi tauira, e taku hei piri piri, e taku hei muki muki. So that would say, my clinging necklace, my sweet scented neck chain.
Oh, we did this one before. Not this
No,
one,
we
but
did
we
the
did
hey
s-
tawhiri.
That's it.
Yeah, it was very
yes.
similar. E taku tamahine, e taku hei muki muki.
That's a bit early.
Oh, not the
E
10
ngai
to
iwi o te-
9. Go away, Scotty.
Yeah, sorry,
10
Scotty.
to
10 to
9.
9. Don't think so, buddy.
Jump the gun. E taku tamahine, e taku hei muki muki. Kua pake ke koe I nai nei no te ao. My daughter, my sweet scented neck chain. You have grown up so much. The world is your oyster.
I like that.
Yes, the world is your oyster. So that's our kupu whakarite for the morning, and that was Tu Rerenga Kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā
whakarongo
whakarongo mai. Oh,
Yes, that still works with two.
it does.
Hey,
That was
hey,
good.
muki muki whānau. So if you need to talk about someone near and dear to your heart, nice, close to you, like, for example, Te Oho Mauri's new pepe, who's
That's right.
10 weeks today, Tana hei muki muki.
Aye, I like that. I get it. That's actually very, very nice.
Yes.
Oh, that's a goer.
He hei muki muki. Yeah, you can use it when you're talking about someone close to you, someone near and dear to your heart. He hei muki muki. Because they're near to you, they hang around you, and they smell good.
I love that. Awesome kupu whakarite aku mihi kia korua from Nanny Maud. Thank you,
tēnā
Nanny
koe.
Maud. It is. I've got lots of those hey muki muki. I love them. They're great.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. And those listening, like, e mōhio ke koutou, e tahi o wēnei. What is it? Hey muki muki.
Hey muki muki.
Another one similar to that you might hear, and then one that we've talked about before is hey tawhiri,
Yes.
which is another
right.
very, very similar in meaning, fragrance, beautiful, close to you. And you could use it in a similar sense as like he piri pawa. You heard that one? Piri pawa, like a power stuck to you real close, piri pawa.
Yum.
Yeah, yum. Cream power.
That sounds delightful.
Taku cream power. That was our Iti Te Kupu for the Ata Whānau. We are going to get back into the music. We have Ngoi Ngoi, not the old Ngoi Ngoi, but the new Ngoi Ngoi
Right.
from Tini Petu. Kia au tonu mai mo tērā wai Ata Whānau. Ngā Tihine FM.
Ko te puehua tō tinana ka hara. Ko ngā parirau o tā wairua ka roha. E kore te aroha e taka i taku manawa. E te tau o taku a te haruru kauana e rangatahi takatsu nei ki te hapai ngā mahi awa
Whakarongo ki te reo ki te pako a te po ki te takahita mama
ki te mita te reo a tāhua ngoi 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 nā kaumari ngoi whakapono ngoi 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 taupua ngoi
Whakarongo ki te reo ki te pako a te poi ki te takahita mama
ki te mita te reo a tāhua ngoi 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 nā kaumari ngoi ngoi whakapono ngoi 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 taupua ngoi 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 nā kaumari
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki
Scotty
whangarei.
Morrison, tēnei me ngau.
Oh, the news just wants to jump on, doesn't it? Yes, it is, that's probably the time for us to say almost haere rā mātua
Yeah,
hoki
yeah,
ki te
yeah.
kāinga.
Oh, that's funny. The bloody the news just wants to keep jumping in there. You're jumping in early, Scotty.
Yes, Scotty.
We've talked about this before.
You're 4 minutes early. You're 10 minutes early before.
Yeah, you wait till 9 o'clock.
There was a comment here saying, by the way, the broadcast is coming through the live right now. Yes, it is, just because some of the content we can play isn't copyrighted. So
Yeah.
that song was totally fine.
Yes, that's right, Whānau. But we are coming to the end of our show. What did we do today? We talked about sausage flying drones. We talked about donuts. We talked about hey moki moki. We've just had a jam-packed show.
We have.
If you're just tuning in right now, where you been?
Where you been? We talked about Pākehā voices on the telephone.
Yes, live, local, and at home. Ngāti Hine FM.
That's so good.
Yeah.
But it's almost time for us to say goodbye. Marcy will be back tomorrow from we're back from 7:10 a.m. She's currently with her husband today, getting
Yes.
a rhinoplasty.
And she's putty.
So yes, we hope you enjoyed today's show. It's been a fun day, Phoenix. It's been
No,
good.
Yeah, it's been a really good day. We really hope, Whānau, that you have a great and safe day. It's Wednesday, so that means hump day. I mean, like as in the week. Hump day, because it goes up to Wednesday and then it's all downhill into the weekend. So I
That's
hope you
the
have a
one.
great day today, Whānau.
That's the one, everybody. Good
Yes.
times.
Yep. No, we still got to
Live, local, and at home.
Yeah, so make sure you practice that voice. So if you need to make very important calls, you can use that voice and it'll just be ready at any time. You know? No reira whānau mai ia māua te whānau o eara e mara kia kaha.
Kia maia!
Kia niwha. Have a great day whānau. Ngati Hine FM.
Poko kōrero
See you
te
tomorrow.
wāna te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake ne e te iwi kei te mahitahi ngā marae o ngā puhi me